What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. My name is Craig. We're going to be going over the charts. I'm going to show you where I think Bitcoin's headed and Ethereum. Both of them are approaching all-time highs. Will they break the old all-time highs or are they done? I'm going to show you the targets for both, whether it's done or we got much higher to go. You make your own decision. Let's get into it. All right, before we begin, guys, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think throughout the video on what's happening, what's going on. As you guys know, there's tons of political stuff going on. I'm trying to stay away from that for the most part, right? Definitely not picking sides here because most of you know that I think they're both on the same side. But hey, that's me. You do what you got to do. But anyways, we're going to talk a little bit about the market. Obviously, as of the time of making this video, Dow futures are down 37, S&P up 1, NASDAQ up 6, Trump, Nvidia, and AMD China deal, what it means for the world. That's the big CNBC headline. They may have changed that by now. Let's refresh. It's funny because how quickly they change these headlines. But anyways, let's get into it, guys. First, we're going to take a look at the Dow Jones. We haven't looked at that for a while and what I'm looking at there. Then we're going to take a look at Bitcoin and then, of course, Ethereum. Ethereum either is going to go way higher or it's going to fizzle out here soon. And I'm going to give you those targets. Definitely stick around for that. All right, let's take a look at, oh yeah, I wanted to remind you guys, obviously my channel sponsors are PrimeXBT and BITUNIX on the side. BITUNIX, no VPN needed. PrimeXBT, you can trade crypto, Forex, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, everything all on one exchange. And you can use your crypto to trade against that stuff. Awesome exchange, guys. Check it out by using my promo code, or not even, you don't even need my promo code. So by using my links down below, you get special bonuses. For PrimeXBT, you get up to a $7,000 bonus using my link. Also, there's tutorials next to them down below. And BITUNIX, you can get up to, I think it's 6,500. I may be doing a trade competition. I'll let you guys know if you follow me on X or belong to the Discord, which is totally free, link down below. I'll get you into that. So anyways, let's get into it. So Dow Jones, I was looking at this last time I put this chart up. We did get support here. Now, if this is the case, obviously there's no guarantees in trading. There's left shoulder, head, right shoulder, right? And then your neckline was right here. Now, if we take a measured move of that, if you're bullish on the market, this would be your target up to this level here, which is going to be approximately, and guys, just be very cautious if you're playing in the markets right now, because I believe there's a good possibility this turns around hard. Not telling you exactly when, but I don't believe it's going to be too long, as in within maybe a year, maybe two, if they can keep the pump going. But it's getting pretty running on imagination, if you know what I mean. But anyways, so I've been looking at this as the ending fifth wave diagonal. If so, we have much lower to go if it breaks this bottom. Now, this is the trend line you're going to want to watch here within. It's a weekly chart, so you're going to want to basically, to be safe, watch that 39 level, right? 39 to 40,000. If that, as long as that's holding, we're good. If that starts breaking, it could get ugly. Now, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Why is this not? Let me refresh this here. Like I said, guys, I am getting sick of TradingView. I may end up using something else at some point, but unfortunately, right now, they are the top dogs in charting as far as I'm concerned. But anyways, so you guys know this massive trend line right here, right off of the 2017 top, 2021 top. And of course, we've touched that again. Now, that doesn't mean we can't come back and go higher like we did here, right? But TradingView again. All right, let's take a look at our measured moves we had here, right? So this is on the daily chart, guys. We had this falling broadening wedge. Our measured move of that was right here, which it's still right around that area, 123.7. We didn't quite get it here. We still have a chance to get there, and that would be another retest of this trend line. Now, if this trend line breaks again, if we break that 124.5 range, it could go parabolic in a big way, but be cautious because it's not a guarantee. So A lot of this stuff is matching up. Let me get this out of here. Let me get this over here. So we could still come down and retest this trend line right here, this blue one, and that's going to be your major support at 108.8, right? And then you have your major resistance at 124.5. That's what I'm looking at there. This is the daily chart. Let's go down to the 4-hour. So this was what we were looking at in the 4-hour, this falling wedge to go up to this range, right? Now that's still 124.3, 124.5. That is the target, the measured move target of this falling channel. That's going to be the area to watch if we even get up there. There's no guarantee you have to get up there, right? But if it does get up there, that could be a good area to get in a short. If you got in a long where this broke, like we talked about in the last video, if you got into a long there, you did pretty well. I did get stopped in my shorts. I got in a long, I got out, made a little bit of profit, pretty much broke even for what I lost off my shorts. So right now I'm in limbo until I see something major happen here. Ethereum. So this was the point I told you to watch. Now we're going to take a look. Like I said, the high, the super bullish move is a measured move right here of the break of this wedge. And that would get us up to about 81.50. Is that a guarantee? Nothing's a guarantee, right? Because there's another way to look at this, and I'm going to show you now. We're going to take this bottom trend line right off these two touches. We're going to clone it. And we're going to bring it up to right here. Right? Which is a touch off of starting right there. Right there. So in here, right? So we got a touch here. You guys know I like my alternating touches. I got to touch it to the top, touch at the bottom. And if you zoom in there, we just literally touch the top again. So need more confirmation here. Obviously, we got to break the high to really confirm that we could be going to new all-time highs. Obvious, right? But right now, we have to break this line. And if we take a measured move of that, so if we go off that right now, we could be done. It could be done from right here. But if we break this high right here, get over that 4,300, is that where it was? Somewhere in that range. Yeah, around 4,300. We break that and get support right here. Here's your targets, right? I'm going to spread these out a little bit. So this is your range. You have your first target for the wedge, and then this target would get you about here. So between 73 and 82, somewhere in that range would be your target. But again, we have to break this level here, guys, which is at 43,000. That'll get you above this rising channel, right? And as of right now, your support, looking at this wedge, if you are in a long and you've been in it for a while, you're safe. I would definitely put my stops down below this 3,900, because if it goes below there, it may continue all the way back down to this bottom trend line. So be careful there, guys. Anyways, I want to say I appreciate you guys for stopping in. Hello to all the new subscribers. You guys rock. Check out these videos up top if you want to learn how to trade or you want to see my last video. Take it easy, guys, and I'm out of here.